Hi guys, this is unboxing Roborock S6. This unboxing is in 2020, so it's very fresh unbox. Let's see what is inside in the box when you're gonna to buy Roborock S6. So let's open the box now. You will need knife. Let me stand. Okay, here we are. So I'm just gonna remove it for you. Okay, so this looks like that. Okay, so box is like box S6 pure. They're saying that extended mopping, room selections, laser mapping, adapting algorithm. For what is the function all? It means that they will adapt your place, so they will exactly will know how to move, where is the furniture, where not. Room selection, it means that you can choose in the app which room must do cleaning, which room you want to skip. Laser mapping, it means that this is the scanner which let know to the vacuum where is some objects like table or your furniture or anything else what should really skip or not moving even. And extended mopping means that you can really also use this vacuum as mop, so can mop your floor. There is special tray, I believe. On the back of the box, they're definitely showing to us how this works. So they're showing how they're moving. Here showing how it's very strong and effective in cleaning them or dust and mess. And yeah, and they're showing to us that mopping, and this can allow up to 150 square meters clean that big floor. Okay, so I will need two knife. It is not so hard, but just another tape, guys. And here we are. Okay, here you will have the protector to your floor, that when you're mopping and your Roborock will go back to the place where there is his home, there will be not stay wet with the mopping tray on your floor directly, just will stay here and your floor will not consume the water from there. So this is very clever. Now we have very big instruction with all languages. Yeah, and then if someone like can study how it all works. This is app connector, network guide, and this is very important. I'm going to show you. This is the code when you need to scan with your phone, and there will directly you to app which you need to install to use the app to your vacuum to have control on it. And what I want to tell about this is good because you no need to looking for in the App Store or Android, just straight away you have here, right? And we have here power cable. Just the power cable is more European version. I ordered in UK. It's not definitely British socket, so you will need adapter. And what we have more here is the tray for mop. So this is the part when you're gonna use it when you wanna mop your floor. And now this, and yeah, and here we have, this is the station when your Roborock gonna to stay. I see here tape, so we can fix it so that will not move in. And the last is our star, so it's Roborock. It's kind of heavy. I'm gonna close the box. Let's open this first. Amazing. I love the design. In the new version is really better design. Before I got the old one S5, but this look for me much better. Here is the opener, dustbin, and here we have brush. Okay, so this is our vacuum. This is the station and power cable for mopping, the mop tray, the protector for your floor, guys, the manual for separate for up and separate for vacuum. So yeah, so that is the Roborock S6. Definitely I'm gonna to recommend. The new version is little bit more expensive, but I already see very big improvement. So that was just unboxing. In future I definitely will post the video for you how it works. Okay guys, one more thing, if you are interested about this product, you wanna see more videos, so just remember to comment below. I definitely will record any video which you need guys to see before you're gonna to decide to buy this product. And one more thing, please go to my channel and check other movies. Maybe you like it, some of my movies already, so I really will be happy if you're gonna watch it, because I'm new on the YouTube and I really need a lot watch hours and of course subscribers. So thank you very much for supporting my channel, and see you in next video.